Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rank number one for any keyword in the trades industry. Number one. This is perfect for plumbers, electricians, general contractors, or actually any business looking to rank number one locally. So why is it important to rank number one on Google? Well, you probably don't need me to tell you, but here are some figures. 46% of searches done on Google are with local intent. This means out of the 8.5 billion searches a day, 46% are looking for a local business. That's almost half. So this essentially means that getting your business to the top is as good as money in the bank. Now, if you don't know who I am or what we do, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and we've helped hundreds of tradespeople get better quality leads, fill up their diary, and grow their business with more profitable jobs. We've optimized over 500 websites, and we've endlessly studied what are the top ranking factors. If you ask Google how many ranking factors there are, it will tell you over 200.
Is that a lot?
That's a lot.
But optimizing over 200 is going to take you a very long time. So after testing these ranking factors, we found there are two that are the most important. And if you get these two right, you can rank number one for almost any keyword. So first of all, consider what is the main thing Google is pulling up when someone does a search. And that's the title tag. This is a title you see before you click through to the website. If you do a search for loft conversions, you'll see hundreds of thousands of results. So instead, let's narrow this down by searching locally. And let's do this. Search in title, loft conversions, Essex. Now, when you search like this, it will pull up every website that has this term in the title. So include what you want to get found for in the title. It's how we've ranked this website number one on Google for that keyword. You want to make sure the keyword you're targeting with the title is actually getting searched every month. So use a free tool called Ubersuggest. Type in your main service in your local area and see how many people search it a month. If it's over 100, it's a good keyword to target. Now use the keyword in your title and watch it fight its way up to the rankings. The next key ranking factor is the content on the page. The reason this page ranks so well on Google is because we've made our content better than all the other pages. It's longer, answers more questions for the user, and is more finely optimized. So before writing our content, we will do the in-title search and we'll open the top 20 pages and look at the quality of the content and the content length. Now, our goal is to make our content longer and better quality.
It's quality, not quantity.
A very helpful tool we use is Surfer SEO. We choose our keyword and then we start writing it in the tool. It scores a page out of 100 and pulls data from the competing pages and makes suggestions on the headlines, how many images we need on the page, and how many times we should be using keywords. Use this on every page you want to rank for and you'll see huge improvements. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section telling us the best thing you ever did that boosted your ranking on Google. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.